Two bottles can both say extra virgin olive oil. They can show similar Mediterranean imagery. They can even list the same single ingredient. Yet one bottle may identify a harvest date, a precise origin, a traceable lot, and independent certification. The other may tell you almost nothing beyond the grade printed on the front. That does not automatically make the second bottle fake. It means the words extra virgin are only the beginning of the investigation. Today, we are comparing 9 olive oils currently sold in the United States. And by the end, you will know which label details actually help you make a better decision. This research was completed on August 6, 2026. We examined Bertolli Rich Taste, Pompeian Robust, Filippo Berio Extra Virgin, Colavita Premium Italian, California Olive Ranch Global Blend Medium, Cobram Estate California Select, Terra Delyssa Organic Unfiltered, Kirkland Organic, and Kirkland 100% Italian. We compared 6 things: grade clarity, origin transparency, harvest or lot information, packaging protection, independent verification, and value by package size. This is not a laboratory authenticity test. It is not a health ranking. And it does not mean every bottle sold by a brand is identical. Packages, prices, origins, and certification coverage can change. First, we need to decode 3 terms. Extra virgin is a grade. It is not a flavor style. USDA standards describe chemical and sensory requirements for the grade. But seeing the words on a retail bottle does not mean the USDA personally inspected that specific bottle. Second, product of and packed in are not the same claim. Product of generally describes where the oil originated. Packed in or imported from may describe where it was bottled, shipped, or distributed. Third, a best by date is not a harvest date. A harvest date tells you when the olives were picked or processed. A best by date is usually based on the manufacturer's expected shelf life. And later, we will explain why the cheapest bottle per ounce can still be the worst value for your household. Let us begin with 3 familiar supermarket brands. Bertolli Extra Virgin Olive Oil Rich Taste lists extra virgin olive oil as its ingredient. The company also describes it as cold-pressed and states a maximum acidity of 0.3%. That is useful information. But acidity alone cannot prove freshness, taste, or overall quality. The practical move is to check the current back label for country of origin wording and date coding. Our verdict is straightforward. Bertolli provides clear grade information and broad availability, but only moderate origin transparency. Next is Pompeian Robust Extra Virgin Olive Oil. The front label focuses on a stronger flavor profile. Pompeian also appears in the current North American Olive Oil Association certification program. That program buys participating products from retail shelves and sends samples for independent testing. But this requires an important qualification. Certification is product-specific. It does not mean every bottle, every lot, or every product made by the company was tested. Pompeian can be a practical mainstream choice when the exact product is covered by the certification. Filippo Berio Extra Virgin Olive Oil is another familiar example. The brand strongly emphasizes Italian heritage. However, the company also explains that many supermarket olive oils are blended from more than one country. That does not automatically make them inferior. But it means the brand story should not be confused with the oil's exact origin. Filippo Berio also appears in the current independent certification program. Our practical verdict is simple. Read the country of origin line. Italian branding and Italian oil are not always the same thing. These first 3 bottles reveal an important distinction. Grade, origin, and independent testing answer 3 different questions. Do not combine them into one assumption. Now consider Colavita Premium Italian Extra Virgin Olive Oil. This product makes a narrower geographic promise than a general Mediterranean blend. Colavita also sells several different olive oil variants, including oils connected with Italy, Greece, Spain, California, and broader Mediterranean sourcing. That makes the exact variant extremely important. Do not judge a Colavita premium Italian bottle using the label information from another Colavita product. The current certification list also includes Colavita products, but again, coverage should be confirmed for the exact bottle. Our verdict is that the premium Italian product offers stronger geographic clarity than a broad blend, provided the current package confirms Italian origin. California Olive Ranch Global Blend Medium takes a different approach. The company openly explains that the oil combines oil from California farms with oil from selected international partners. That word, global, is not evidence of a defect. It describes the sourcing model. In fact, clearly admitting multinational sourcing can be more useful than using vague imagery that allows shoppers to assume a single origin. The exact partner countries may vary, so the package remains the final authority. Our verdict is that California Olive Ranch deserves credit for transparent blend language. It is a practical, everyday option for shoppers who value honest sourcing disclosure more than single origin status. Cobram Estate California Select provides one of the clearest domestic origin stories in this comparison. The company describes it as California-grown oil and states acidity below 0.5%. It also encourages shoppers to look for the harvest date stamped on the bottle. California Olive Oil Council certification adds another layer. Qualifying oils must undergo chemical and sensory evaluation for each harvest season. That gives shoppers more information than a front label grade alone. The trade-off is price. Cobram often comes in a smaller bottle and can cost considerably more per milliliter than large supermarket formats. Our verdict is that it performs strongly when harvest visibility and California origin matter, especially for finishing dishes. The key lesson from this group is that Italian brand, Italian origin, and California grown are three completely different claims. Only the precise origin statement settles what you are buying. Terra Delyssa organic unfiltered extra virgin olive oil is a Tunisian single origin product sold in dark glass. The company also provides a QR code and lot number traceability system. That allows shoppers to follow more of the product's path from orchard to bottling. Terra Delyssa also appears in the independent certification program. But the word unfiltered needs some nuance. Unfiltered describes how the oil was processed. It does not automatically make it healthier, purer, fresher, or better. Our verdict is that Terra Delyssa provides some of the strongest digital traceability in this comparison, although shoppers pay more for the smaller package and added detail. Now consider Kirkland Signature Organic Extra Virgin Olive Oil. This is a large 2-liter value format. The current Costco listing identifies it as cold extracted, USDA organic, and kosher. It also appears in the current olive oil certification program. At the price checked on August 6, 2026, the 2-liter bottle was listed at $19.17. That equals approximately 96 cents per 100 milliliters. On pure unit price, that is one of the strongest values in this group. However, it makes the most sense for a household that uses olive oil frequently. Kirkland Signature 100% Italian extra virgin olive oil also comes in a 2-liter bottle. The current listing describes a traceable Italian production chain from cultivation through bottling. At $24.96, the checked price was approximately $1.25 per 100 milliliters. That is roughly 30% more than the organic Kirkland bottle. The extra cost should be understood correctly. You are paying for a narrower origin claim and additional origin documentation. You are not buying proof that Italian oil is always fresher or universally better. Now for the promised reveal. The lowest unit price can still produce poor household value. Light, heat, oxygen, and time gradually reduce an oil's flavor and freshness. A family that cooks with olive oil every day may finish a 2-liter bottle quickly. For them, the large format may be an excellent deal, but a household using only a small amount each week could leave that same bottle open for months. In that situation, a smaller dark bottle with clearer harvest information may deliver better practical value, even at a higher price per milliliter. So which products performed better? There is no universal winner. Cobram Estate California Select performs strongly for harvest visibility, California origin, and certification. Terra Delyssa stands out for lot-level digital traceability and dark glass packaging. California Olive Ranch Global Blend earns credit for openly explaining its multinational sourcing. Kirkland Organic offers excellent unit value for a high-use kitchen. Kirkland 100% Italian offers narrower origin documentation. Pompeian, Filippo Berio, and Colavita gain additional confidence from current participation in an independent certification program. Bertolli provides useful acidity disclosure, but shoppers should still inspect the back label for origin and date information. Here is the 6-step aisle checklist. First, confirm the exact grade. Do not confuse extra virgin olive oil with products labeled only as olive oil or light-tasting olive oil. Second, find the country of origin statement. Third, look for a harvest date or traceable lot when freshness matters. Fourth, check for product-specific independent certification. But remember that the absence of a voluntary seal does not prove something is wrong. Fifth, choose dark glass, coated metal, or another light protective container when practical. Sixth, calculate the unit price, then buy only the amount your household can reasonably finish. The counterintuitive lesson is that two honest extra virgin olive oils can be very different without either one being fraudulent. One bottle may mainly sell you a grade. Another may explain its origin, harvest, certification, traceability, and packaging. The best choice depends on what you need and how quickly you will use it. Always check the bottle in your own store because countries, lots, package sizes, and prices can change. And in the next investigation, we will examine 10 bottled waters and reveal one label trick most shoppers completely miss.